see this? That just means I got some bomb ass makeup for y'all. What is up, peoples? It is Tia with Tia's Makeup, and today I have something a little bit different for you, hon. Yes, I have a get ready for me, hon, in a Q&A, hon. But normally, well, I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm not gonna be putting this intro on my get ready with me's or my Q&As, but I wanted to show y'all my camera because it's so much better. I got a new camera, so better quality. Yeah. And I'm on my front, so if I was on my back, coin, period. But I just wanted to come in here and show you guys that. And yeah, if you're ready for this get ready for me, then you already know what we're gonna say. Let's ride. So this first one is not really a question, it's just more like an introduction. I feel like I haven't given you guys a proper introduction yet. My name is Tia and I'm 19 years old and my birthday is May 8th, and I'm not gonna tell you my sign because I'm pretty sure you can guess it. And some of y'all be judging, so yeah. So the second question is, what is your favorite song? And y'all, I put down No Parties, but by the time I put that down and the time I'm doing this video, I had to change it because it's not No Parties no more. It's Calling My Phone by Little Taj. I don't know if I'm saying that right, so don't come at me. But yes, baby, if you haven't listened to that song, I would say stop this video, but you need to watch this video. So watch that after this video. This third question is, when are y'all coming back? And y'all, honestly, I'm gonna give y'all story time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna give y'all a story time on this story. But I moved to Iowa, and yeah, but this question is, when are we coming back? And honestly, I don't know. We haven't made up our mind. We don't know if we want to move here, or we want to get settled here, or we want to move back to we don't know, hon. We just don't know. But I promise you, as soon as we know, I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna hook you up. So the next question is, what is my favorite color? And if you know me, if you truly know me, you know that this color haven't changed since the day I was fucking born. But my favorite color is purple, bro. It's purple. It's fucking purple. I said it's purple. This fourth question, whatever number question we are on, is, are you lesbian or are you bisexual? I'm Tia. Oh my god. Why are you wondering? Why you in my business? But if you wondering, I'm bisexual. Yeah. I like them girls. I like them guys. I like them girls. I like them guys with booties, big tits. Next question. Do you wear makeup every day? Drum roll, please. No. No. Because who the hell got time to wake up and do that shit? For y'all who got time to wake up and do that, I do got the time, don't get me wrong. The patience and the energy is where we got wrong at. Because I ain't got the patience and energy to do this. Y'all is very lucky. Very, very lucky that I do this for y'all. Because if I did, no, I don't. Just no. Now these next few questions about to get a little deep, y'all. I'm just gonna let you know. I'm just playing. But the next question is, what is your aspirations in life? And for a long time, hun. Long time since I was 6 years old and watching these videos on Discovery Health or Discovery Channel. I wanted to be an OBGYN. And, you know, I'm still gonna do it because, girl, it's something I'm very passionate about. I don't know why, y'all. It's just something about it. It's not because I like coochie, so don't say that. It's just because I really want to do it. But that's my biggest goal in life, because it's like, one, it challenges me to go to school for those 12 years again. Like, what the fuck? But also, it gives me something I really feel like I'm going to enjoy in life. You know what I'm saying? And if you feel like you're really not going to enjoy something in life, don't spend 12 years, 8 years, 4 years of college trying to pursue those dreams. Knowing damn well you're not going to enjoy it just because it pays a lot of money. Hein? This next question says, look deep inside yourself and ask yourself, what do you love about you and what do others actually see? Let me just breathe for a minute because that was a long question. Jesus. Part one. Look deep inside yourself and ask yourself, what do you actually love about you? Everything. I feel like there's not one thing that I don't love about me. Well, actually, my weight is one thing I don't like about me, but hun, that's changing, so that's something that can be changed, so I don't not like that about myself no more. But as far as part two of the question, what do others see? That's a question for you people. Like, comment down that below. I want to know. Let's go, baby. I will respond. The next question is, what is my biggest goal in life? And it's kind of is the aspirations being goals. But my biggest goal, actual goal in life, is just to be consistent. I can't stress that enough. Like, if you're not consistent, you're gonna always find yourself into some shit, boy. I'm telling you, just be consistent. That's the biggest thing you can do for yourself, for those around you, for your loved ones, for your friends, your family. Just do it for yourself, hon. Be consistent. The next question is, what is your proudest moment of high school? And I don't know who in their right mind asked this question, but baby, it was graduation. That's anybody's. I'm just playing. But my greatest moment will have to be Great Pretenders, cause like, you know what I'm saying. I was in that bitch getting it. You know what I'm saying. Moving on. What all talents do you have? Well, since you asked, mama, I can draw. I can, draw and paint. I can play the drums. I can do voices. I'm working on dancing, but I think I can dance, baby. And obviously, you're at Tia's makeup, so what? Makeup? The next question is, are you doing YouTube just to get famous? And I knew this motherfucking question was gonna come up. I need to stop cussing. But I knew this question was gonna come up. But no, baby. I'm doing YouTube because I feel like I have too much energy, hun. And it can't be on Snapchat because y'all keep telling me my shit is too long, hun. So it's gonna go somewhere and it's gonna go here on YouTube. And you bitches gonna watch it and you gonna like it. And that's on period. Period, poo. And actually, that ain't the only reason why, hun. The only reason why is because I'm too talented to be sitting here trying to do something strange for a piece of change, when I could be doing this and go get lit real quick. Period. And the last motherfucker. Oh,
The last question of the day is,
what is your favorite childhood movies, hun?
yes, I like the question.
Cause you wanna know why? Cause I like Don't Be a Menace, hun, and I like Daddy's Little Girls, hun, and I like Drop Dead Fred, hun. So that was the last question. If you like this video, like and comment down below, what do you see in me? Also hit that subscribe button and subscribe because you don't want to miss any videos when I post. And I love you guys. Peace.